Dear viewers, welcome to our Fashion Genie channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of best detergent powders design ideas. Your clothes define your personality. So wearing clean and neat clothes is much important. So what is the most important thing to keep clothes clean? No doubt you will say washing the clothes properly is important. Of course, you are right. But which detergent powder brand you are using, and do you know what are the other famous detergent brands available? Detergent makes these sorts of claims, chances are it contains optical brighteners. These coat the fabric with fluorescent particles which absorb ultraviolet light and then re-emit it as blue-white. This makes your clothes appear brighter and whiter even though they do nothing to actually remove dirt. Optical brighteners should be avoided by those with sensitive skin, as they can provoke rashes. Different types of best detergent powders designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.